Nobody should compare Tinubu with Peter Obi. Emma Fikuwe. You see, let's talk about politics and government. You see, what is going on now? We all know that Atiku'S son has left PDP, then come to APC. This is a sign that President Tinubu is going to win election in 2027. I don't care what you guys is going to say, because most of you will come on my channel, start dropping rubbish. That is your own cup of tea. I don't care. I don't talk with emotion. Most of you talk with emotion. You don't care. It's because you love Peter Obi, and most of these guys are obedient, and we all know their tribe. No matter how it is, I'm not saying that this government is perfect, but we are seeing progress. Sometimes, anytime I watch Rufai Osini, every time you want to condemn Tinubu, every time. To me, we can't continue like that. And thank God that Dr. Abati is there to balance the story. He's there to balance that story. Because I don't know how Rufai Osini is too bitter about Tinubu. Too bitter. He don't even care. Now, Atiku'S son the camp from PDP to APC. When they were the PDP telling they are in PDP. But now, instead of him to go to ADC, he knows that President Tinubu is going to win that election. He knows that Tinubu is going to win that election. No doubt about it. Because President Tinubu has done a lot. The only issue that this government is facing is insecurity. That is just it. Tinubu, because some of you will just come, hey, how much is dollar? Are you people deaf? I just don't understand how much is dollars. How? Tinubu removed subsidy, and all the candidates said they are going to remove subsidy except Kwakwaso and Omoyele Sowore that said he's not going to remove subsidy. And when they remove subsidy, federal government wants subsidize dollar. Nígbà tí wọ́n bá sọ pé okay, dollar is 300 and 700 and something, tí federal government ń san 400 and something fún yín, wọ́n lè sọ pé òun lágbára ẹ̀ mọ́. Wọ́n lọ́wọ́ lágbára ẹ̀ mọ́, and they said they are going to remove subsidy from fuel and from everything to want subsidize. So that is the reason why dollar is 1,004. So now that Atiku'S son is now in APC now, Atiku has come out and said that is his own business. See, let us be sincere to ourselves. The Northerners, they are the one that gang up against Tinubu just to remove him, and the reason is because they cannot control him. That's all. Chikena. It's difficult for them to control him. This is the first time our Northerners will really control any president, because he know how they play their game. President Tinubu know how to play their game. See, this is, let's be sincere to ourselves. I want President Tinubu to win that election for continuity. I want him to win that election, and you can see, if Atiku'S son know that ADC is going to win that election, he will go with his father. And meanwhile, some people are saying that maybe Atiku plot him there for spy. Na lie. It's not possible. Forget about it. It's not possible for Atiku to plot him there. If Atiku do that, they will catch him now. You know how they play this game. Even if Atiku want to, if Atiku need a spy, he's not going to be his son, because he's a first suspect. For those of you saying that he's a spy, he's not a spy. If Atiku want to use anybody as a spy, he's not going to be his son, because they will suspect him. They will suspect him. Even you that is not politician, that is outsider, you are the one that is saying that he's a spy. So that is it. They know that if they use him as a spy in APC, they will definitely know. They are not going to use somebody like that. They will use somebody that they will not even think of. If they want to use somebody, if they want to use a spy inside they need spy inside of APC. They will use somebody that is not even, they will not even think of. So forget about, he knows that his father Atiku'S cannot win 2027 election. He knows that ADC cannot win 2027 election. Kano State is with Tinubu. Port Harcourt is with Tinubu. Lagos is with Tinubu. Forget what happened last election. If you think that what happened in 2023 election is going to repeat itself, you are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. It can't repeat itself. We know what is going on all over the world. This is hard. And I'm not saying that Nigeria is perfect. Now, recently, EU removed Nigeria from high-risk financial list. Some obedient come out and said, no, it's because Tinubu gave them money. That the $9 billion is working. You should shut up. The $9 million is working. What is it? I don't understand. Anytime you see any positive news about Tinubu government, you just want to rubbish it. When Oti, the governor Alex Oti built a bus stop station, you guys praise him. The bus stop station that they just built for fun in Lagos, the bus stop station that they built in Ogun State for fun, you can celebrate that. But if you remove Nigeria from the high-risk financial list, none of you can celebrate that. It's going to strengthen a lot of business in this country between Nigerians and other countries. But you don't want to celebrate that. There is a reason why they remove Nigeria from that list. It's because President Tinubu government, they are improving in economy day by day. And we need to appreciate that. Yes, our politicians in this country, they are funny. They know how to do their wuru something. No doubt about it. But what President Tinubu is doing is obvious. It's obvious that it's improving in terms of economy day by day. I want to read the article for you guys. Nigeria has been removed from the European Union list of high-risk jurisdiction, a move expected to ease trade payments and investment flow between the country and Europe, according to the report by Business Insider. Business Insider report on Wednesday that the European Commission confirmed that Nigeria, alongside South Africa, Burkina Faso, Mali, Mozambique, and Tanzania, has been strengthening its AML/CFT regime and no longer posts strategic deficiency under the EU assessment standard. The Commission noted that the affected country has implemented reforms. Listen to this. The Commission noted that the affected country has implemented reforms that brought their financial system in line with the international standard. Oh God. Listen to this again. The Commission noted that the affected country has implemented reforms that brought their financial system in line with international standards set by the FATF. So President Tinubu has done a lot for this country. The only thing is politics, they spread propaganda. And we Nigerians will support them to push it. They use somebody like Tunde Ednut, because Tunde Ednut is now, his page is now politics page, to push bad narrative about President Tinubu government, which is very bad. It's obvious that Tunde Ednut hates Tinubu government. It's obvious that he hates Tinubu himself. Nobody should compare Tinubu with Peter Obi. Emma Fikuwe. Nobody should compare. Do you know legacy project that President Tinubu laid down in 1999 that exists now? Just mention one legacy project that Peter Obi laid down in Anambra State that still exists. That's what we call leader. Just mention one legacy project that Peter Obi laid down in Anambra State and compare it with what Tinubu laid down that exists now. increasing day by day. We should not compare two of them together. It's totally different. Even some chairman local government have a lot of projects in Lagos State than Anambra State. That is the fact. I don't care you come on and now you abuse me. That we know that is your way. We know that is your way. The only issue we have with our politicians is they are so corrupt, including your candidate that you call Peter Obi. Peter Obi cannot tell me that his government is not corrupt. He can't say his government is not corrupt. President Tinubu cannot say his government is not corrupt. All of them, all Nigerian politicians are corrupt, one way or the other. So now, as you can see, if you think that ADC is going to win that election, you are deceiving yourself, because the only person that is relevant in ADC is Peter Obi, and Peter Obi cannot beat Tinubu in 2027. Because if you think that they are going to push the same narrative and Nigerians will fall for that, the same narrative they used in 2023, you are deceiving yourself, you are lying. Now you see that instead of Atiku'S son to go to ADC, he went to APC. He knows that they can't win that election, and he want to win election. So after 2027, maybe 2031 or something, they can now take it to north. But now, forget it. Tinubu is going to win that election. I will say more on this. My name is Lekucho Eyemi. Bye for now.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.